Two trace elements play an essential role in protecting tooth enamel: bromine and manganese. Significant variations in the concentrations of these substances can lead to the appearance of dental problems. The foods richest in manganese are green leafy vegetables, brown rice, coconut, almonds, and hazelnuts. Bromine, on the other hand, is found in whole wheat, legumes, almonds, milk, and derivatives. Until now, attention has been brought almost exclusively to fluoride, but there is evidence that tooth decay appears mainly due to an imbalance at the mineral level. However, the supply of these two minerals is not the only element involved. The presence of calcium and vitamin C must also be considered. Foods with high biological value, such as wheat sprouts, are precious dispensers of vitamins and trace minerals like calcium phosphates. Of course, the proper intake of minerals and vitamins has a purely preventive and non-curative function. Avoid or strongly limit foods that erode enamel and/or favour the development of tooth decay bacteria, such as sweets, sugary drinks, and citrus fruits.